Hi, I'm going to walk you through how Billivio is used in a real-world app on darkritual.site. It is the Arcane Nexus, a card analyzer for Magic the Gathering cards that people can use without a subscription. They just pay and use it. This is the site, darkritual.site, and the main tool is completely gated. It can't be used until an invoice is entered. That's how access is granted and tracked through Billivio. Whether a code is obtained from a purchase or a free trial, this is where you will enter it. If you're not ready to buy a package, you can try the tool for free by entering your email address. Billivio handles this part too. It sends a verification email to make sure the address is real. Once the link in the email is clicked, the email address gets verified. Now the email address, instead of an invoice number, can be used to access the tool. I'll enter the email here, and it gives me access to the tool. No payment, no account. So that free trial flow was powered entirely by Billivio. It verified the email, issued access, and tracked the usage. I didn't have to build any of it. Now I'll show you how a user can actually buy access. In this app we use Stripe, but you can use PayPal too. Billivio handles the entire logic behind the scenes, the purchase, generating a unique code, trackage usage, all of it. Now that I have an invoice number, I just copy and paste it straight in. Boom, I'm in and I can use the tool. So what did Billivio do here? It created a unique trackable code. It allowed me to have access immediately without creating a login or an account. It also tracked all of my usage. For a developer, it allows them to not have to worry about building a billing system or a user account system or any of that. And all it has to do is tell Billivio what products belong to what packages and let Billivio do the rest. If you have a tool, an API, or an app that is better suited for a pay-per-use rather than a subscription, Billivio is going to save you a lot of time. And during the beta, it's free. I would love to hear your feedback. You can just sign up on Billivio.com and let me know if there's a project if you'd like to work with me on. Just send me a message at hello@Billivio.com. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps. There are some more videos coming up to explain Billivio even more. Take care.